Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today is your birthday. And happy Canada Day. Woo! Canada Day for us.
Yes.
Not official Canada Day. We are heading out this morning. It's been a mad dash. I had to clean the kitchen, do the laundry, bathrooms, because Andrew is coming here to watch Molly Cat and I didn't want it to be gross for him when he arrived. Been a busy little start to the day here, but our Uber is on the way. We are about to head out to the airport. I'm so excited. I can't believe it's happening. Literally not even going to accept that it's happening until I'm through customs on the other side. God, this is heavy. We made it.
We did it.
That was such a mad dash.
Yeah, you went through it a little bit there.
Oh my god, it was an insane line to drop off my bag. Luckily, I signed up for Clear when I was flying to Vegas last weekend, and so I didn't have to wait in the security line at all, so I used all my security line time waiting to drop off my bag and then got to skip the actual security
Shout out
bag.
Clear. You should get Conor the free pass.
Free pass? Who has a free pass to Clear?
I'm asking you.
We're here. I just got a coffee. Connor has a mimosa. And we're gonna get going soon.
I gotta do contract work, so might as well have it.
Fun stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna just spend most of the flight editing, and then I downloaded the Britney Spears documentary on my phone to watch, so very excited. Well, friends, we made it to Toronto. It was actually the next day. It was like madness getting off of the plane yesterday. They were doing metering, so they would only let 50 people off at a time. We had to go through customs. It was a whole thing, so that's why I didn't really vlog, but so excited to be here at Connor's parents' house, but I'm about to head out to go see Tara. I cannot wait. I am so excited, of course. It's going to be very fun. Grab my lip gloss. I know, I'm like feeling sick because I haven't eaten.
Yeah, exactly.
We ate at dinner, but it was like tapas, and that was literally our only meal, so.
And light.
Yeah, it was light, so. Anyway, Connor's heading out to do his own thing. It's just gonna be me and Tara today, and I am so excited.
Yeah, which you're not down for at all, right?
Oh yeah, I hate when I have to spend time with Tara, just us.
Just us, exactly.
It's honestly for the best, because we are obnoxious to everyone when we're together.
Well, especially when it's been the summer.
Exactly. It's been 2 months, so we have a lot of catching up to do, naturally. All right, I'm heading out.
You're heading out right
Yes.
now? Okay. I love you, Neville.
Love you too. See you soon.
Yeah, I'll see you in a few.
I'll be back like around 5 for dinner. I'm dying. Where the hell am I? Look at this. What? I am dead.
I can't believe you're in my house.
I literally can't believe it. Tara just gave me a full tour. I can't believe that I'm here.
I can't believe you're in Toronto. I can't believe you're in my house. I can't believe we're reunited. Last time I was with you, you know when that was? It was a fucked up night.
A fucked up night?
Yeah.
Why don't I remember? Because it was fucked up.
Really fucked up. It was lots.
Oh, I remember. I remember this night. I totally forgot about that.
Yeah, that was the last time I saw you.
Well, thank God we are back together.
In a different city. We
Yeah.
have a lot of exploring to do.
Oh yeah, we have a very busy schedule the next 2 weeks.
Very busy. It's gonna be the best 2 weeks of my life.
Yay! Wow, I can't believe we're together.
Oh my God, I'm gonna die.
I know, we do. Wow. All right, we made it. We're at Stock. We're sitting next to each other. Oh, thank you. Got fries. We got a little salad with like some crispy mushrooms on top. I got a mojito. Tara got like a, it's called a Palm Springs.
Yes.
So
Hard to say
there you go. Exactly. And of course the matching meals.
Naturally.
Had to happen. Yep. Okay, we went in for a dessert. Very unlike us, but
when have we ever ordered dessert together?
I don't know, like ever.
We might not have ever done
Yeah, but a creme brulee. We're celebrating.
Yes, it's a big exciting
It's
moment.
a big occasion. Oh, I'm excited. Ooh. Oh my god.
I'm unwell. This is very yummy.
It is so creamy and caramely and
It's creamy and rich, but also light.
right? A win. I know. I love it. Oh. Hello. Hello.
Adorable.
Love it. This is so cute. I know, it's so cute. I love it. Adorable.
Espresso martini.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good.
Heavenly.
Oh, I can't wait.
Cheers, bitch.
Cheers, bitch. Ding. Okay, we are at our last bar for the day. Had to get one more drink, so we got a berry mojito. Matching again. Cheers. It's just constant random numbers calling. We're at the Bull, a Firkin pub.
Yes, so
The Firkins, yeah, are like everywhere apparently. Connor was telling me so.
they're everywhere.
Anyway, there you
Classic
go.
pub.
Yes, and this honestly will probably be my last clip for today. And then I'll see you guys tomorrow for more fun with Tara, obviously. Because I'm going out to dinner with Connor's family tonight, so obviously we'll not be bringing the camera, but what a day. I can't believe we're together.
I can't believe any of this right now. I can't believe you're in this city. I can't believe you're like gonna go out in this city.
I know.
Like, it's just wild.
Here we are. I love it. Good morning, everyone. It's the next day, and it is a rainy day here in Toronto, which is what most of our trip is probably going to be, but that's fine by me. It'll still be fun. Connor and I are just about to head out to brunch with Tara at Oretta. Very excited to try it, and here's what I'm wearing. Our Uber is here, so just a quick little OOTD. There we go, and we're heading out. Hey, for Jill. Connor.
I forgot that you called.
Cheers, friends.
Cheers, friend.
Back together.
Oh, it is such, yeah.
It's yummy. Oh, it's spicy. Okay, so Tara and I got the same thing, of course. What?
What's the name? Oh, it's Lola.
Oh, cute. You're just looking at Aspen's baby. This is like scrambled eggs with burrata and truffle, some focaccia. Connor got a little porchetta sandwich. Very excited. Fun. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Next bar, we're at, what is it called? Something Soho. Ruby Soho. Taking shots. I got a fuzzy peach. Connor got a beer. And of course, picklebacks.
Cheers. Cheers, friends. Chili.
Oh, we always do them in half seats.
Oh, the whiskey's so good.
It went right down for me. I didn't taste anything.
Oh,
I didn't taste it either at all.
Down the half chili. There it is.
Checking out this area of Toronto. This is called Stacked, where it's all shipping containers. It's all different bars and shops. This is so cool.
The bank over here.
What? And the view's pretty, like, it's pretty cool. It's not so bad.
This is like a little bar. It's a little
Oh yeah, Berlin bar.
a wide bar.
So cute. And IKEA. Naturally.
An adult color.
Wow. My two best friends. Look at them go. So cute. So we randomly found this little art exhibit. So cool. You guys can't really tell what this is. Let me see. Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love it. Look at Coco go.
Wait, you guys.
Hi, my love.
Meditate for a minute?
Yes, I'm down. Well, it's the end of the night here. After, I don't even know what my last clip was exactly, but we went back to Tara's, got some pizza. We watched a Black Mirror episode. It was really fun. And now it is 11:48, which is the earliest that Connor and I have been home this entire trip. I've been getting home past 2:30 every single day. It's been a lot. So we are very happy to have a slightly earlier night. Hope you enjoyed this first little taste of Toronto. I'm so excited to share more with you guys. And see you soon.